to Bolbeck Imagine. Today we'll be talking about the basics of creating a new book. Before we get started, let's take a look at the manuscript we're going to be using. And this is it. It's a story of Kitty, a cute black cat that figures out that her friend is still sleeping and goes into his room and wakes him up. No, we're not going to be creating the whole book, but we will be creating a few of the pages just to see what it takes to create it. So we're going to go to books. It shows the list of books that we have in our collection. We go to new file. We choose the file. I pick the PDF that we're just looking at. I hit submit, and that is going to upload and process the file. After which it gives us some good information of what we need to do next. So we need to review the information that's extracted, create images for locations and characters, which are extremely important because those will be used to create the images that are going to be in our different pages. So I'm going to say, okay, let's get started. So we see we have title, author, we have a summary, characters, locations, and the pages of our book in English. Alright, so everything looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and create Kitty. Just hit the generate button, and I'm not going to wait for it to finish. I'm just going to go directly, and I'm also going to hit generate dummy. Now you can see that it's going to create them in watercolor painting. That's because in the generation settings we have it set up to watercolor painting, but we have a number of styles that we can create images on. So this is dummy, and that's Kitty. Cool. Now we're just going to create a couple of these different locations just to get an idea. So instead of going into each individual one and hitting the generate button, I'm going to use this button here, this shortcut, which repopulates the box for a chatbot. And I'm going to say I'm going to create images for locations, and we'll just do bedroom and hallway for now. And we're going to let it do its thing. So that will take a few seconds. We can see that it's created our images. We don't need the cats to be there just yet. Before cozy bedroom, we're going to switch that. And we're going to save it. We're going to generate. Let's take a look at the hallway. Oh, the hallway looks good. Take a look at the bedroom. Oh, that looks good too. Alright, so I'm going to come back here. Now I'm going to go into our book pages. And in the book pages we see the details of that particular version of the document. This is in English. If I go to text, we see how it's broken up our document into different pages. So we have over 10 pages. And then in the pages tab is where we're going to do the most of our work. On the very top, we need to pick up the location where the action is going to be taking place. So we can say living room. This is our cover page, page 0. And I want Kitty to be present. Save that. And I usually go and do this for each page. So bedroom, Kitty, and the hallway and Kitty, etc., etc. That's good enough for now. But I normally would go and do every single page. Then we see the text for that page. So this is page 1. We see the text for that particular page. We see the audio. We can hit this button to create the audio for this particular page. Or I can come up here and say generate audio for book, which will generate the audio for the whole book, for all the pages of the book. And while it's doing that, we can generate the image for the other images for the book. But before I do that, I'm going to change a setting here, which is a very important setting. I'm going to tell it to use consistency, which basically says that to make sure that the characters look the same on every page. And now I can say generate this particular page, or like I did before, I can come in here and I say I want to generate pages 1 and 2. And while it's generated that, we can come in here.
Kitty woke up early in the morning, hungry. She could hear her tummy.
Let's see, that was created. I'm going to go and make a small change here. And I'm actually gonna come here and I'm gonna turn this word timings here. And I'll show you what word timings is in a little bit. And I'm gonna say let's do just page 1 so that we can tell the difference. Alright, so now we have the image of Kitty in her bedroom. Next we have Kitty in the hallway. Cool, so we have 2 pages. And let's go ahead and animate this page as well. Alright, so for now let's pretend that we've gone through every single page, we created all the images, and we're done. So I want to see what my book is starting to look like. We didn't generate an image for the cover, but we did generate an image for first page, second page, and then we can adjust the way the book looks, so the different pages look. And this is one particular look, and we're going to be doing the same thing for the other one. And we can hit
Kitty woke up
the button
early in the
here to
morning,
listen
hungry.
to the audio.
She could hear her
We can see
tummy
it's words
rumbling.
highlighted. We
And
can turn
while
that
she
off
wanted to stay in bed, she decided
if
it
we
was
want to.
time to leave.
Now, if we go to page 2 and we
Kitty was a cute black cat with beautiful yellow eyes. As she made her
select
way
the
out
other
of
page,
bed and started walking in the
and then if I'm ready, I can come in here and I can say export to PDF. I can pick an organization logo if I want one. I can change the alignment. I can change the text sizes. And when I'm ready, I can download PDF. We don't have an image for the first page just yet, but here are the images that we created for the other pages. And the last thing, it says that page 2 has been animated, so let's go take a quick look at that. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna say play the animation, and there we have it, and you can see that in the preview as well.
Kitty was a cute black cat with beautiful yellow eyes. As she made her
And that's the basics of creating a book. Thank you.